Welcome to the office.
Happy Saturday! Hi.
Hi.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Are you happy you came?
Yes,
Yeah?
very much
You
so.
came for the week, right?
Yes,
And you guys came from Kentucky.
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 Yep.
And you found me? He
Yep.
found me, somebody found me.
I did.
We had a lot of stuff going on. There's still stuff, we know.
Yeah,
Are we at least 30-40% better?
yes,
Okay.
definitely.
All right. How's the neck doing?
It's a little wonky today.
A little wonky today?
Yeah,
How's
on
the
that
back?
left side. The back's good.
Back's good. How's the wrist? How's the finger? Okay?
Yeah, been a little sore today.
Okay. What's bothering you the most today? The neck?
Yeah,
Okay. You ready to get started?
this has been sore down here, but
Sore?
Sore,
Not
yeah.
sharp?
no,
Not shooting pains?
no,
Okay.
more the neck.
Okay, let's take a look.
Alrighty.
And we had a little challenge with her neck that first 1 or 2 visits. A couple of challenges we had were, number one, the neck was it's flexible, but there's pressure there. And to get it to move, it took us a little bit, right?
Yes,
And in terms of the low back, she has a implant in that back, and it was the first time I had to adjust the sacrum, the tailbone, with the implant. And I think we got it pretty decent, didn't we?
yes. It
Starting
moved
at the
good.
base. Sorry?
I said it moved really good that last time too.
It's the tiger's nose. She
Still?
smells it. It's just 2-3 points, but it's there. I have a feeling that's why the neck is feeling wonky, by the way.
Okay,
You've been icing.
yes,
Okay, so when you go back, you're going to continue the icing.
okay,
You're walking.
yeah.
And we got to figure out, like I said, I put a feeler out as soon as we get the vid out, and hopefully I'm going to look for somebody close by. I did tell you there's a guy in Memphis.
Yes, sir.
You got your walking in? 5 points.
Mhm.
This morning?
No, not this
No,
morning.
not this morning.
No problem. But when you get back, part of the routine,
Yes.
okay, is a morning walk. And you have the time, morning, afternoon, evening, 15, 20-minute walks.
What about a 3-mile walk?
Sure, dude. And I think the coolest thing yesterday is you guys met Jack.
Yes,
That was pretty cool.
That was awesome.
we got pictures with him.
That's awesome. Static palpation. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Making my tiger talk.
What does a tiger sound like?
Loud growl.
I'm thinking lion. I'm thinking lion. So the device is right here, okay? And what was interesting is it's got leads going to the sacral plexus to stop the bladder,
Bladder spasms, yeah.
the bladder spasms. And what will be interesting at some point, you're gonna need to think about it.
Well, I can just turn it off and see without taking it
That,
out.
you can?
Yeah,
Oh.
I've got a device.
Why didn't you tell me that? You could have turned it off while you were here.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, come on! Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at him. You didn't tell me you could turn it off.
Until she said, I can turn it off. I'm like, she's got the stuff out there. Never mind.
Seriously, you didn't tell me you could turn it
I'll
off.
shut my face.
Oh, you made me
All right. Can you please? And you guys will be right on time. Don't worry. Okay.
That's
You're
fine.
gonna make it on time.
Oh, yeah.
No issue.
I'm guessing you found another spot.
I'm at L5, okay?
Mhm.
Sacrum is fine. Down low, come back slowly. You remember the tailbone?
I do. It was bad.
Tailbone is good.
Yep.
But I'm still curious where one of those leads went, because we can see one, there should be 2.
That's what it looks like.
But I would actually have the doctor check it out. But you can see that. If you can turn it off, that's up to you to decide. And see kind of, you know what you need to do.
Right.
Okay? You know what you need to do. So we're going to continue on L5, T4,
Yep.
and C4. We're gonna do neck last though, okay?
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Showtime. Do. And then we'll do the extremities. She was mad yesterday. She was so mad with me yesterday.
It was the day before,
Was it
wasn't
the day before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wasn't yesterday.
I just know she was mad.
She was not smiling.
Oh, wow.
L5. Relax the shoulders, please. T4. She's squishy today. Come on, tiger. Come on, tiger. Come on, tiger. Walk it out. Yeah, I'm a little cuckoo sometimes, but that's okay.
Yeah, it's good.
It's okay. Keep walking.
You can't have fun at your job.
What's that?
I said, if you can't have fun with your job, there's no sense in doing it.
This is true. But it is a job, right? We all have a job to do.
Mine is to drive. That's what I do.
But it's bigger than a job. There's a concept
much
called
better.
Amana. Amana is a concept of stewardship. How are you going to leave this place better than which you started? What's your calling? All right? And that's the thing we all got to figure out. We all got to figure it out. But when we're in fight or flight,
That feels a lot better.
you good?
Mhm.
Keep walking, please. And you know, some of these doctors and energy guys talk about chakras and energy centers, and the lower three energy centers are more fight or flight survival. And if we're in fight or flight survival, then heart's closed, we're not creating, we're not stimulating the higher centers. So, and think about it, if you go to my vids, and for the last 4 years, it's all tailbone stuff.
Yeah.
Root, sacral chakra, energy.
Yeah.
And whether it was a trauma, whether it was a physical trauma, an emotional trauma, chemical trauma, it's everything, we're all blocked here. So there are a lot of great people out there and channels out there that talk about the energy and how to stimulate with breath,
Right.
okay? And I think it's important for everyone to get into that and start breathing again, okay? So that's another homework I'm gonna have in your email about
Okay.
breath work.
Oh,
And
cool.
spending about 10 minutes a day on breath work. Have a seat.
Okay.
It's very important, okay?
Yes, sir.
Diaphragm breathing, Kabbalah Bhati. A simple breath exercise. Simple. Mira. Simple. Thumb, finger.
Interesting.
Remember I used to do that?
And you switch.
without my
Simple. Another simple one.
Oh, breathe out.
You can do nose also. I mean, I got a big nose, so I got a lot of air that comes out of it. So it's almost like breathing out of my mouth.
Mine
Scoot.
should be in more alignment too.
Scoot back for me, please.
I keep sliding off your table.
Well, we had to switch to the vinyl during COVID, you know.
Okay.
But most of the Gonstead tables, when we started, are all noses fine, by the way.
Good.
Just steaming that we talked about, okay? And Oh, you don't got the Austin Powers on today.
No.
I like this color. I like her sweats. It's color.
Thank you.
It's good color. Colors, colors, colors,
I have
colors,
heard that song forever.
colors. So I triggered you with the hoo-ha? Is that what happened?
It was who like I said,
Hoo-ha! Give you hoo-ha!
who was for everything.
Who is for everything. So I learned something new. When I was saying hoo-ha, it was like, doesn't always mean, it's not always a good thing.
Right.
So I didn't know that. So I apologize for
Who was like the F word. It can be for anything.
that. I
Like if
didn't.
you're feeling good, you're like, who? You're
Sure.
feeling bad, you're like, who?
2, 3, 4. And we need to come right under, because it's a small bifid. And we need to, nice and easy there. Nice and easy there. I'm not letting that go, okay? Almost.
Got it.
Whew. My gosh.
Clean today.
Alrighty then. Whew. That was deep.
Colors. Sit up straight for me, please. That was nice. Check this out. Take a deep breath in. Do the nose thing again. Check it out. A little different?
Mm-hmm.
Or am I hallucinating?
No, it's different. It's like a deep, breathe deeper.
3, 4, 5 keeps the diaphragm alive. 3, 4, 5. You want to ice that neck too, okay?
Okay.
You want to ice everywhere. It's cold in Kentucky?
I heard it was getting cool while
You
we
guys
were
get
gone.
snow?
Yes, usually.
Go make your snow angels.
Or ice. A tiger happy now?
Tiger's happy. Everybody's happy. Everybody love me. Everybody love me.
Oh, I'm
Teach me how to work. Teach me how to dance. Teach me how to set.
You had your own stuff, huh?
I have a rap song out from a long time ago.
Did you really?
It's on the internet. Supercharging your flow. But you gotta have bass.
I like
You gotta
it.
got some bass. If you
All about
got
the bass.
you got bass in the car, you got some bass at home.
Yeah.
Mhm.
If you got a little bass, supercharging your flow. Check it out.
Okay.
But I'm so old school, it's on SoundCloud.
I don't even know what that is.
Exactly. Go on your back, please. It was before Spotify and all that. It was kind of funny.
I'm
One of my
not
patients actually was a composer, so he did the beats and the hook, and I used to write lyrics on chiropractic.
Okay. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
If it flows, it flows.
And it's the PG version. Talus, fibula, balance work. I'll have an email of exercises for you too, okay? Basic balance work,
Okay.
okay? Getting a balancing pad. We'll make a list of things for you, don't worry.
Okay.
Sit up in turn, please. Look up, open.
Oh no.
No, I'm joking. Nice. Close. We need to just work on the right side today. Open. And close.
Was that a clicker?
It was
Something.
Yeah, it was something. It
It was
didn't.
a set. We set bones. We set them.
You sure? That's the only one that ever pops. That's so weird.
Sit up straight. Got a little bit of work. If for whatever reason you don't find or don't get the follow-up over there you need, come back in hopefully 6 months, okay? Within 6 months.
Okay.
And when you come out for 3 days. You come out for more, but I'm saying, I'm just saying. On the floor, please, hand on the table, we're gonna set your wrist. Now, she had a fracture on her finger,
My hand.
right?
My hand.
Yeah.
Close enough.
Yeah, metacarpal. Sorry, carpal, fifth carpal. But we're setting the wrist here. And we're setting, when we're looking at the wrist, we have the distal radius and ulna, we have the rows of carpal bones, then we have the metacarpals. Okay, yours was, sorry, metacarpal. So we're working on the carpals and the distal radius and ulna. This holds, this heals better. We got the power on, the neck is clear, so the power and information is going there, so I'm good with that.
Okay.
Okay? And it's just staying away from that. There you go. Just being mindful, this is scaphoid. There you go. Nice. And here's a cool way to test fractures, guys. So take a 128 hertz tuning fork, tap it, and you lightly go over where the suspected fracture is. If it's really, really sharp, or if it's open, the vibration will go in there, it'll hurt pretty bad. If it's just pressure, it means it's healed. It's a good way to test it without an x-ray. And then obviously you get an x-ray for a follow-up.
Right.
Okay?
Okay.
You're all set with me.
All right.
All right?
This one good?
That's it. That we don't need the blood for.
Okay.
So, let's take a look here. Squeeze.
Good?
It's good. Squeeze. Elbow.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It just popped when I squeezed your hand.
Relax there. Posterior ulna. There you go. Posterior humerus. Squeeze.
Oh, that hurt down
Okay. Squeeze light. I'm just moving.
Oh.
Squeeze and hold.
I'm waiting for it to hurt.
No, you're waiting for it to hurt.
Yeah.
It's good. It's going to heal fine, okay?
All right.
I'll also give you a couple of supplemental recommendations, healing up the bone a little bit faster.
Nice.
Okay? Simple stuff.
Sounds good.
All right.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure.